Hello children, welcome to today's music class. In today's class, our topic is musical alphabet. Our topic is musical alphabet. Don't forget we have 7 alphabets in music, namely A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A stands for ants. B stands for bear. C stands for cats. D stands for dog. E stands for elephant. F stands for frog. And G stands for goat. That is, A, B, C, D, E, F, G are the only letters used in music. So children, that is all for today. Hope you enjoyed the class. See you in the next class. Please subscribe to this channel, like, and turn on the notification button for more videos like this.